Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Google account. Make sure you use the primary account you want backed up. Check storage at Drive to avoid interruptions and free up space if under 10% available. Once signed in, go to My Account. Google, and tap Data and Privacy. This is where backup controls live. Next, find Backup or Backup and Restore options. You'll pick Device and App Data, Contacts, and Calendar. Follow prompts to start the initial sync, so changes begin uploading immediately. Now you choose what to back up and how. If you use Google One, enable Device Backup for apps, SMS, and settings. It handles recurring backups. For a full export, open Google Takeout, then select products like Drive, Photos, Keep, and Contacts. Pick formats such as zip or TGZ and set archive size limits so downloads don't fail. Make sure you select a delivery method: email link, add to Drive, or direct download. Once done, request the export and wait for processing. Larger archives may take. Finish by verifying the backup completed successfully. Open the delivery email or check Drive for the exported archive and download it to a trusted location. You should keep at least 2 copies, one encrypted external drive and one secure cloud folder, so you can recover quickly. Make sure to schedule recurring backups in Google One or your device settings to avoid drift. If something goes wrong, check available storage, confirm account sync is enabled, and temporarily disable problematic two-step prompts that block automated exports before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.